ride up the slide, along with Red's cat.
That was crazy, Snowy. What should we do next? Oh, look! It's Hoppy Hopscotch and Dog Day!
What are you guys doing here? Hey, Tyler and Snowy! We're waiting for the school bus.
Sana mo na tubig, sisibog. Naroon na. Tulong-tulong kaya. Ha? Hindi nasakop yun. Hindi sa atin yun eh. Ha? Labas yun. Nasa loob yan ha?
Pagayon nga lupa.
Because we need to get to school. Yeah, today's the big hoppy.
Anong, paano, ano yan?
School bus we can take to school? Come on, get in!
Para
Guys,
kotse.
this would be the fastest way to get to
Kinabubong ng
school.
kotse.
I don't know
Ah,
about
ganun.
this one, Hoppy. Usually we get the school bus with Tyler and Snowy.
Parang kotse yan. Tinan mo yung bubong ng kotse. Ganyan yan. Ang ganda niya, parang kotse nga yan. Pagayon. Pagayon.
We'll take Tyler's secret shortcut to school. That's down this giant
Ayun.
slide.
Ayok mo ba ako din? Hindi pa rin. Wow. Na may mga urang. Parang kotse nga style niya pagayon.
Is it the way to school?
It is now! Oh!
The whole place is filled.
It's okay, Dog Day, as long as you're wearing your seatbelt.
Parang kotse nga yan.
There's no seatbelts on school buses. I don't think Hoppy's fine, Tyler. We lost her.
Whoa! I just flew out of the school bus! Zoe, how can I drive
Daddy,
the
ano
school
ba
bus
yan?
if I believe the truth?
Wala nga tayong bato.
School bus over there.
Uy, baka maulit sa hindi sa
It didn't make it back out of the slide.
But it's okay, guys. I think I'm gonna make it. I'm still in the driver's seat, and the end is right
Huwag ka dyan.
here.
Dito ka lang.
Nice job, Tyler. Dog didn't make it to the big test.
Hey, Snowy, let's have a race. Get a burger mobile like me.
You're right.
Suot mo lang.
Gosh, Snowy.
Upo ka lang dito.
Mobiles. You ready for this thing?
I am so ready for this, Tyler.
3, 2. Oh, wait, you already going?
Bibigay kita sa baka.
That's cheating.
Upo ka, dali.
I didn't mean to do that.
Snowy, I think you were thinking with your stomach and you want to eat these burger mobiles.
mga bandang alas 11 na. At tayo mga nakaliman.
Look, baby shark. Oh yeah, it's a shark family.
Pakunin mo na muna.
Shark.
Pakulo ko rin. Baka. Yung pinagtanggalan ng isang oras, bali dalawa yan eh. Dalawang hukay mo dyan.
Bibi.
Parang kamulit na nila.
Maganda yan, hoy. Maganda yan.
Kaya kurang ang maliit.